Hello guys, and welcome back to Klutakklutik.com. Selamat pagi dan selamat datang di Klutakklutik.com. Today we are going to be replacing the battery of a Beltech universal remote for a car. So this is the remote, and then there's the Beltech logo. So the first thing that you want to do is you need to have a plus screwdriver, and then we screw it. Then you need to have a minus screwdriver. So you must pull it from the bottom. Because if you pull it from the top, the remote will be broken. So you push it from the bottom. And that's the battery. So this is the battery. The spec is 27 ampere and 12 volts, and so you must find the battery with the same spec and the same size. So then you put the battery, then you put the entire thing back. You must put the back from the top. Then you screw it back. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Klutakklutik.com. Thank you guys. Bye bye.